Good morning, children. Welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to continue exercise 2.4. You can take page number 31 in your NCERT textbook and you can refer the questions from your textbook. Okay, children? Now we are going to continue exercise 2.4. In that we are going to discuss from page number 31 second problem. Okay, you can take page number 31, children. Second problem, you can refer the question from in your textbook. A positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, what they are saying, first thing, a positive number is 5 times the another number. Okay, next, if 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the another number, other new number. What are those numbers? We are going to find what are those numbers. Okay, what is the condition they have given? One positive number is 5 times another number. We don't know what is that another number, right? So let 5 times the another number. So another number, I'll take it as x. Upper positive number, it will become 5x, right? I told you positive number is 5 times the another number. I don't know another number, so I'm taking another number as x. Upper positive number is 5 times the another number. Correct? Now, if 21 is added to both the numbers, so another number, I am adding 21 to this another number. Next, positive number, I am adding 21 to this positive number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, to this number also I am adding 21, to this number also I am adding 21. Then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. They are saying after adding, one number will become the twice of the other number. Yes, when seeing itself we can identify that this number is greater when compared to this. So obviously one number will be twice the other new number. Actually this number will be twice times this number. Okay, so this is what your equation. Understood how I have framed it? Yes. Now shall we write the solution and solve it? Yes. Solution, let the another number be x. Okay, a positive number is 5 times another number. Okay, so what we are saying, a positive number is 5 times the another number. Therefore, positive number be 5x because 5 times the another number. So positive number be 5x. Okay. Add 21 to both the numbers. Okay, now we are going to add 21 to both the numbers. Therefore, what you will get? X plus 21 comma 5x plus 21. This is another number. This is positive number. Now, what is the question? If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other number, other new number, twice the other new number. Okay, when I am adding 21 to both the numbers, one number will be twice the other number. So how the equation will become? 5x plus 21 equal to twice the other number. Okay, why can't we write this here and this here? Because this is larger. Obviously this larger one will be twice this smaller one, right? So now shall we solve this equation, because this is one equation, right? 5x plus 21. 2 is common for both. 2 into x, 2x plus 21 into 2, 42. 21 into 2 is what? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 42. Now shall we bring all the x towards one side and constant towards another side? Yes. 5x minus 2x equal to 42 plus 21 goes, that's it, becomes minus 21. 5x minus 2x is 3x. 42 minus 21 is plus 21. Now shall we bring this 3 to that side? Yes. If x is equal to 21 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. X is equal to 7. So, we are going to find what are those numbers. So, let the number be x and positive number be, let the number be x now. X value is what? 7. Positive number be what? 5x. So 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. So therefore the numbers are 7, 35. Okay, because one of the number is x, so I wrote 7. Positive number is 5x, so 5 into 7, 35. So therefore the numbers are 7, 35. Understood, children? Next is your third question. What is the question? Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Okay, if you add digits of a 2-digit number means how it will be? It will be in both the ways. So if you add, this is one digit, this is one digit, it is a 2-digit number. If you add the digits of a 2-digit number, it will be 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. If I interchange, okay, if this digit comes here and this digit comes here, we find that our new number is greater than the original number by 27. So what is that 2-digit number? Okay, we are going to find what's that 2-digit number. Okay, now we understood if we add the sum of the digit, it is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. Okay, let us consider. Listen, let the 2-digit number be x and 9 minus x. Okay, x and 9 minus x is our 2-digit number. Listen, why I am saying that x is this is one digit, this is one digit. Okay, so x and 9 minus x. Okay, if I add these two, sum of the 2-digit number, sum of digits of a 2-digit number is 9, because I told you if it is a 2-digit number, x is one digit, 9 minus x is one digit. Why I am taking like this? You will have doubt, right? So I will teach you. Why? Because I am taking 9 minus x. If I add this digit and this digit, I should get 9. So that's why I am doing like this. Okay. Shall I add this digit? X plus 9 minus x. Plus x minus 8 gets cancelled, so I am getting 9. So this is what your digit should come. Okay, what is a 2-digit number? X. 9 minus x is a 2-digit number. One of the digit is x. 9 minus x is another digit. So if I add these two digits of a 2-digit number, I will get 9. So based upon the question, this proved, right? Yes. Now how will you write this 2-digit number? The 2-digit number can be written as, how will you write? In example problem we have written the 2-digit number, right? The same way we are going to write this 2-digit number also. How you will write? Actually this is 1's place and this is 10's place. S, this is 1 place, this is 10's place. So how you will write in expansion? X into 10 plus 9 minus x into 1. How will you write the 2-digit number? X into 10 plus 9 minus x into 1. This is what your 2-digit number. Okay, how will you write this? X into 10, 10x. 9 minus x, we will write 9 minus x. Now 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. So this is how you will write the 2-digit number in expansion. Now I am going to interchange this. Interchanging of a 2-digit number. Shall we interchange this? Yes. Interchanging the 2-digit number. How will you interchange the 2-digit number? 9 minus x and x. Okay, 9 minus x is, these two is a 2-digit number where x is in 1's place and 9 minus x in 10's place. But here what? X is in 10's place, 9 minus 1 in 1's place. Just opposite. Now we are interchanged. Okay. Okay. Now can we expand this? Shall we expand this number? Yes. How will you expand like this? The interchanged 2-digit number can be written as interchanged 2-digit number can be written as, how will you write the interchanged 2-digit number? Yes. Now 9 minus x into 10, because 9 minus x into 10 plus x into 1. Is it? And 9 minus x into 10 plus x into 1. Like this you should interchange. Now 9 into 10, 90, minus x into 10, minus 10x, plus x into 1, x. Now 90 minus 10x plus x, minus 9x. So this is what the number which you got after interchange. This is before interchanging the number. This is after interchanging the number. Okay, after interchanging, what we are saying that our new number, this number is greater than this number by 25. So how that interchanged number will be? Interchanged number will be equal to original number plus 27, because I told you this new number will be greater than this number by 25. So this original this interchange number will be 27 greater than the original number. So shall we write like this? Interchange number is equal to original number plus 25. So interchange number will be, how you will write? Original number plus 27. So what is our interchange number actually? 90 minus 9x. 90 minus 9x. Okay. 90 minus 9x is our interchange number. Equal to, what is our interchange original number? 9x plus 9. Okay, or interchange number is 90 minus 9x, original number is 9x plus 9 plus 27. It is already written here. Okay, now it is of equation, right? Yes. Now shall we solve this equation? Yes. 90 minus 9x equal to 9x plus 9 plus 27, 36. 9 plus 27 is 36. Now shall we bring all this all these variables towards one side and constant towards another side? Yes. Already minus 9x. If this 9x go that side, it becomes minus 9x. Okay, children, listen. Minus 9x. It is written here. This 9, if it go that side, it becomes minus, plus 9x go that side, it becomes minus 9x. Equal to 36 is there. If 90, if it go that side, it becomes minus 90. Okay. Now minus 9x minus 9x. Minus 9 minus 9 minus 9. Minus 18x equal to 36 minus 90. 36 minus 90. So it is, we have to going to do the subtraction. 90 minus 36 we are going to do. What is the answer? 54. So 54. What is the greater number? 90. What is the symbol of greater number? Minus. So minus 54. Okay. Now I want only x. So shall I bring this minus 18 towards that side? Yes. Up x is equal to minus 54 divided by minus 18. Is it correct? Minus 18 minus 54. Okay. Now shall we cancel this? Minus minus we can cancel, right? Yes. Now in 2 table 9 times 2 2s are 4, 1 7, 27. 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So what is our x value? 3 plus 3 is our x value because this minus minus get cancelled. Okay. So x value is what? 3. Okay, understood? So x value is 3 children. So what we have to find? We are going to find that 2-digit number. So what is our 2-digit number? Because we found the value of x. What is our 2-digit number? X 9 minus x, right? So x means 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. Appa 36 is our 2-digit number. Understood? This is our 2-digit number da. X 9 minus x. X is 3. 9 minus x na 9 minus 3 say 36. 36 is our 2-digit number. Listen children, it is very important problem. That is why I am explaining you once again. We don't know what is a 2-digit number, so I am taking it as x 9 minus x. Why I am doing 9 minus x? Since if you add these 2 digits, I should get 9. If it is sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 11 means x 11 minus x, like that you will write. Okay. Since it is 9, I am writing it as x 9 minus x. If it is 12, not 12 minus x, like that I will write. Adding means I will get 9. So shall we expand this number? X into 10 plus 9 minus x into 1. Okay, I have just expanded and wrote. Okay, so this is what my 2-digit number. I am interchanging it. Again I am expanding that number. So I am getting 90 minus 9x. So after interchanging, what they are saying is the new number which we are getting is larger when compared to this number by 27. Appo this will be, if you add 27 with this number only, you will get this number. So this is very large, this is small. Okay, if I add 27 with this number only, I will get this much big number. So that is what I am written, plus 27. Now I have found the value of x. 2-digit number is x 9 minus x. 3 9 minus 3 6. 36 is our answer. Understood children? Next is your 4th question. What is the question given? One of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Okay, they are considering their 2-digit number. Okay children, just see the question in a textbook. Okay, they are considering a 2-digit number. Their 2-digit number means how many digits it will be? 2 digits it will be, right? So one of the digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other number. Okay, if I take this number as x na, this number will be 3x. Okay, one of the digit is 3 times the other number. Okay, now if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you will get 88. But now I am going to interchange these two numbers. 3x, x. Okay, this 3x place will come here, x will come here. Now I got one new number, right? This number and this number if I add, I will get 88. Okay, understood? There is a 2-digit number now. Digits, okay, 2 digits will be there. One digit is 3 times the other digit. Okay, now I am going to interchange these 2 digits. If I interchange, I will get some more another different new 2-digit number. So if I add these two, I should get these 2 digit number. I should get 88. Okay, now shall I write the solution? Now shall we start? Solution. Okay. Let the 2-digit number be 2-digit number be x 3x. Okay, because one of the digits of a 2-digit number is x. Okay, one of the digit is x, other digit is 3x. Now we understood how this 2-digit number comes. Let the 2-digit number be x and 3x. One of the digit is x, another x is 3x, because I told you one of the two digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Okay. Now, shall we let the 2-digit number can be represented as, let the 2-digit number can be written as, how will you write? Here listen, this is in 1's place, this is in 10's place, right? How you will write this 2-digit number? X into 10 plus 3x into 1, is it? How you will write this 2-digit number? X into 10 plus 3x into 1. X into 10, 10x plus 3x. 3x into 1, 3x. Appa 10x plus 3x, 13x. So how you will write this 2-digit number? 13x. Okay. Now we are going to exchange this 2-digit number, interchange. Appa 3x will come in 10's place, x will goes in 1's place. Now shall we exchange and write it? So just we are interchanging. Okay. Let the interchanged 2-digit number be how you will write? 3x x. Okay, just I am going to interchange, children. Just I have interchange x 3x 3x x I have interchange. But this is 1's place, this is 10's place. That just their place values are interchanged. Okay. Now the interchanged 2-digit number can be written as, how you will write now? As before, 3x into 10, because 3x into 10 plus x into 1, 3x into 10 plus x into 1, 3x into 10, 30x plus x into 1, x. Okay, 30x plus x, 31x. So what is our interchange number will looks like? 31x. 2-digit number will looks like 13x. So sum of those two numbers will be, sum of those two numbers is 88. So what is our 2-digit number? 13x. What is our interchange number? 31x. If I add these two numbers, I will get 88. Okay. Sum of those two numbers is 88. 13x plus 31x. Now shall we add this 13 plus 31? 44x equal to 88. What you want now? You want x value, right? So I am bringing this 44 to that side. X is equal to 88 divided by 44. Okay. 44 into 2, 88. Up x is equal to 2. What is our x value now? 2. So what actually we want to find? We are in need of finding the, what is that original 2-digit number? Okay. So let the original 2-digit number be, original 2-digit number be, how you will write? How you will write the original 2-digit number? X 3x, right? X 3x. So what is the x value? 2. 3 into 2. 2. 3 2s are 6. So this is what our x I wrote to. 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. But 26 is our original 2-digit number. Okay children, just to see in this type of problem, very easy problems. Okay, just read the question. We are taking a 2-digit number and I am saying that one digit of a number is 3 times the other digit. That's all. That is the only condition. But 3x. 3 times means what? 3x. That's all. Now I am just expanding that number. X into 10 plus 3x into 1. So I have found the 2-digit number. Next I am going to interchange those 2-digit number. If I interchange, what I will get? 3x, x I will get. Again I am going to expand this number. I am going to write 31x. Then I am going to add this number and that number. You will get 88, which is given in the question. I am not introducing anything, children. Just I have added those two and I have found 88. Now what is the x value I got? 2. So x 2, 3 2s are 6, 26 is our original 2-digit number. Understood? Today's class we have discussed exercise 2.4, a few word problems. Okay, you have to read the question carefully to answer these problems. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.